everyone, Miss Bowman here, and today we're going to be working with contractions using is, are, and not. And to help me out today, I have my two friends, Hippo and Icing. Let's get started. For our contractions, we're going to be dropping the vowel and turning it into an apostrophe. So do you remember what the vowels are? A, E, I, O, and U. So we're going to be looking for our vowels in these words, and then we're going to turn them into an apostrophe, which is like a floating comma. So let's take a look at our words. We have is. Where is our vowel in the word is? Right, it's the first letter, the I. So we're going to take the I and get rid of it. So I have is, I'm going to get rid of the I and turn it into an apostrophe. How about are? Where's our vowel? Right, we have two of them, one here and one here. We're only going to change the first vowel. So we're getting rid of the A and turning it into an apostrophe. What about not? Where's our vowel? Oh, right here in the middle. So we're keeping N, apostrophe, T. So when you're working with contractions, you are usually going to find that vowel, get rid of it, and turn it into an apostrophe. This is going to be for almost every contraction you're going to see. The apostrophe takes the place of a vowel. I've written a sentence on the board. It says, he is a hungry hippo. Now let's use a contraction. I know I'm working with is, are, and not, and right here I can see the word is. Now Hippo's going to help me out. Hippo has eaten the I from is. What can we put there to represent our missing I? An apostrophe, right. Icing, can you help us out? He, apostrophe S, is he is, or he's a hungry hippo. Now I have two new sentences written. When she is upside down, she looks like an apostrophe. There's a contraction we can add to this sentence. We can change she is to another word using a contraction. Remember how we changed the word is? We got rid of the vowel I and changed it to an apostrophe. Let's check out my hungry hippo who eats vowels. Hippo has eaten that I because that's our vowel. Now what do we need to replace it? Right, Icing, an apostrophe. When she's upside down, she looks like an apostrophe. Our last sentence says, it is amazing. We're going to use a contraction for it is. Can you tell me how to do that? Right, get rid of the I for is. And what do I put instead? An apostrophe. Great job. It's amazing. Let's review. Let's turn he is into a contraction. What should we do? Right, copy the first word, he, then what? Then take out the vowel in the second word and turn it into an apostrophe. Apostrophe, S. He's. He is equals he's. So we took out our I and changed it into an apostrophe to represent our missing letter. How about she's? What two words are in she's? Copy the first part, she. What's our second word? Apostrophe S. Is, right. She is. How about it is? Let's turn that into a contraction. Copy the first word, it. Then what? Right, apostrophe S. So when we're using attractions with is becomes apostrophe S. There's one other word that has an apostrophe S in it. L-E-T apostrophe S. Let's. But this apostrophe S is tricky because instead of meaning let is, which doesn't make sense, I can't say let's go to the store. Let is go to the store doesn't make sense. So what would make sense? Let us go to the store. So this apostrophe S is us. So whenever you're using contractions, make sure you use them in a sentence so that way you know what would make sense. Let's go on to R. They are a great team. Let's turn they are into a contraction. Here comes Hippo to eat the vowel in the second word. And icing to fill in our apostrophe. They're a great team. Now you try it. Can you turn we are awesome into we're awesome by using a contraction? What would you need to do? We're looking at we are. Right, get rid of the vowel in the second word and turn it into an apostrophe. We're awesome. So the contraction there means what? 2 words. Copy the first part, they. And what does apostrophe RE mean? What does our apostrophe stand for? A, right. They are. We're means, copy the first part, we are, right. So when you're using R to make a contraction, you just need to get rid of the A and turn it into an apostrophe. So for is and are, both of them, we're getting rid of our first letter, which is a vowel, and turning it into an apostrophe. Now you've done not before. Do you remember how you did not? You're still getting rid of your vowel, aren't you? But this time, the vowel is in the middle. So it's N apostrophe T. Let's see what that looks like. They are not coming. We're going to turn are not into a contraction. Here comes hungry Hippo to eat the vowel. And what do we need? An apostrophe, right. So the word we made is aren't. And when we write aren't, A-R-E-N apostrophe T, we need to smush this space together. Just like this. They aren't coming. So our contractions are is becomes apostrophe S. We dropped our vowel and turned it to an apostrophe. R is apostrophe R-E. We dropped the vowel and turned it into an apostrophe. And not is N apostrophe T. So this one's different because the vowel is in the middle. We still dropped the vowel and turned it into an apostrophe. That's all for our contractions today.